Samsung's smartphone strategy has evolved into two distinct categories: the futuristic foldables and the classic slab-style phones. While foldable enthusiasts are celebrating the recent launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, fans of traditional smartphones are eagerly awaiting the next big thing. That thing is likely to be the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and if the early rumors are true, it could be one of the most exciting releases in Samsung's history. Crystal ball, what makes the Galaxy S26 Ultra so anticipated? Although Samsung hasn't officially confirmed any specs or features, leaks and insider reports have started to paint a promising picture. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to debut in early 2026, and it's already generating buzz for several potential upgrades that could set a new standard for Android flagships. Here are the top 5 rumored features that have Samsung fans talking. Camera with Flash 1. A new 3x telephoto camera. Samsung may be refining its camera system with a new 3x telephoto lens, offering sharper zoomed-in shots and improved portrait photography. This could be a major win for mobile photographers who want DSLR-like versatility in their pocket. High voltage 2. Faster charging technology. One of the most requested upgrades is faster charging, and it looks like Samsung might finally deliver. Rumors suggest the S26 Ultra will support significantly quicker charging speeds, reducing downtime and making it easier to stay powered throughout the day. Rocket 3. Next-gen Snapdragon processor. Performance is always a priority, and the S26 Ultra is expected to feature Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon chip. This means faster processing, better graphics, and improved battery efficiency, perfect for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. Artist Palette 4. Updated One UI experience. Samsung's One UI is getting smarter and sleeker. The S26 Ultra will likely ship with an updated version, offering new customization options, smoother animations, and enhanced AI features that make your phone feel more intuitive than ever. 5. Slimmer and lighter design. Despite packing more power, the S26 Ultra might be thinner and lighter than its predecessor. This design shift could make the device more comfortable to hold and easier to carry without sacrificing durability or battery life. Movie camera. Dive deeper in our latest video. Want to see all these features broken down in detail? Check out our latest YouTube video where Daniel walks through each rumored upgrade and shares insights on what they could mean for Samsung's future. He also touches on a few lesser-known leaks that might surprise you. Hourglass. Not done. Should you wait for the Galaxy S26 Ultra? If you're in the market for a premium slab-style phone, the decision to wait depends on your needs. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch at Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event in early 2026, and it could be worth holding out if you want the latest innovations. However, the current Galaxy S25 Ultra is still a powerhouse. With top-tier specs, a stunning display, and excellent camera performance, it remains one of the best Android phones available today. If you need a new device now, the S25 Ultra won't disappoint. Mobile phone with arrows. Stay connected for more updates. To stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to Sam Mobile's YouTube channel. We'll be covering the Galaxy S26 Ultra extensively, from hands-on previews and reviews to tips, comparisons, and more.